Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Viola from Civro Windows and Doors and Facade System. I'm right now standing in Meadows Villa area, Jumeirah, Dubai. We just completed a project for property owners yesterday to help him to replace the old PVC windows to our Civro aluminum windows and doors of some bedrooms. And why we're doing this is because the property owners had a problem of the old windows. It has very bad sound insulation effect, and his bedroom is facing the first street of Dubai at night. There are a lot of noises and cars are rising at night, and he cannot sleep because of that. And our team come here 3 days ago. We complete the entire procedures from day 1 to day 3, from removing the old windows and install our windows and doing some repair on the walls and floors. And in these videos, I'm gonna show you every steps we completed from day 1 to day 3. And in the end, I'm gonna give you a small test to show you if Civro have accomplished this job of giving better sound insulation so the property owners can have a better sleep. So let's go. This is one of the bedrooms where we will be replacing the windows. The existing ones are regular PVC windows, which you can commonly find in older villa areas throughout Dubai. We begin by quickly removing the PVC windows and trimming the walls to ensure the new window fit perfectly. Throughout this project, the villa owner continues to live here, so our team takes extra care to minimize disruption. Using a rack to climb to the upper floors, we move everything carefully, keeping the interior decor intact and respecting the owner's space. Now, to enter Civro glass. To tackle sound insulation, we've selected a combination of laminated and hollow glass. This dual approach effectively blocks both high and low frequency noises, including car engines, motorbikes, tire friction, and birds and people's voices. Did you hear that sharp sound of a motorbike? Motorbikes, especially from food delivery services, are a common source of noise in Dubai, constantly zipping through the streets at all hours, racing against delivery deadlines. This particular glass panel weighs an impressive 220 kilograms, the heaviest piece in the project. And here it is, successfully landed. With the new walls, frames, and glass now in place, we are getting closer to completion. According to Civro standards, waterproofing is done before the frames are installed. While Dubai doesn't see much rain, when it does, as we all remember from last April, it pours. Yesterday, we already removed the old PVC windows from that bedroom and make the waterproof for that 2 empty holes there. And today, our job is 4 steps. First one is to remove these 2 windows for this bedroom today. And second step is to make the waterproof for this bedroom as well. And third step is to install our aluminum profile windows for that bedroom. And wait until the waterproof get dry, and we will be install the windows and doors for this bedroom as well. The first frame has been secured, and we vacuum the grooves and gaps to ensure a clean surface for glass insulation and the application of weather sealant. Fixing the weather strips, we have the biggest glass secured. As we can see, the expanding foam sealant has been applied, and while it dries, our team smooths out the surrounding walls. Hi, good morning. Today is the third day of the entire project, and which is also the exciting day, the delivery day. Now, my team is doing the last step, repairing the walls and the floors to make it as good as it was before the project. Okay, let's see how it goes, and I will show you the finished effect of the project later. Okay, let's go. Look at that. Our team is repairing the walls. The window has been sold perfectly yesterday. We are fitting the caps for the water drain hole. The weather sealant is expertly applied along the edges of the frames. Ta-da! Here is the finished result. One of the old sliding doors has been replaced with a fixed window to enhance the view and bring in more natural light, while the other has been transformed into a combination of a fixed window and a casement door. In the other bedroom, we installed double doors, both equipped with triple-point locks for enhanced security, especially since this villa is close to the road. Let's take a quick look from the outside. Amazing craftsmanship and attention to details. It is now 8 p.m. and the traffic is not much at this point, but we can still hear some engine noise and tire friction. Let me close the door. Can you hear the difference? Before we wrap up, there's one final task to conduct. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, Civro showroom is opening this November at Westburry Business Bay. We'd love to have you visit. I'm going to do a small test. My colleague is standing there holding his phone. He's going to play the music, and you can hear the music, of course. And I will close the door. You will compare the difference. Please play the music. I want you to show me how to get to know. Right now, we barely hear anything.